Your heart pounds with precision. A king dies inside his court. Your heart pounds with precision. The king dies inside these doors. Let it all work out. 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 Your heart pounds with precision. A king dies inside his court. Your heart pounds with precision. The king dies inside these doors. Let it all work out. Let it all work out. Let it all work out. Let it all work out.
They can also rate that if you slow down your neurons fast enough. Sense schizophrenic can do it. I know people who have gone through it and haven't come out of it. I know people who have gone through it and come out of it just on their own. It has to be a choice.
And I'm going through some shit that got me stressing now. But like my homies told me, let it all work.
I do know some people who've gone through it. Some of them are still going through it because they've overcome the problem just yet. The people who did overcome the problem, the majority of them, to be honest, just ended up being parents, and they were like, oh god, I've got a baby, I really need to stop doing cocaine. I mean, that was probably when I was like 13, 14, so I guess like didn't really understand the context of it that much. It was
With all these bridges, sometimes I get tunnel me. Let it